Pull systems are very effective in engineer-to-order environments, make-to-order environments, assemble-to-order environments, and even can help you begin to transition out of the make-to-stock production environment. So, when would you want to consider not pulling? Firstly, it should be known that all companies should consider pulling. There is never a time when demand is not present that a company should tie up resources producing. However, there are times when the benefits of pull systems may not be as obvious as others. The first situation is when the benefits of pull may not be as obvious as others is when a company produces only one product with absolutely no variation in the product. Because there is only one product with no variation to it, you always know what product would be ordered. In this case, many companies opt to make a product to stock and then switch from a push to pull, and that occurs at the end of the value stream. Nonetheless, this still presents a lot of risk, especially if the items being made have a shelf life associated with them. Another common situation where pull may be a bit more challenging is when a company operates in an industry where there are steep fluctuations in demand or seasonal fluctuations in demand. In these types of situations, pull is still very beneficial, but it can be difficult to reduce waste, improve changeovers, and generate triggers that are quick enough to keep up with demand when it ramps up. With that being said, the issue is not necessarily the pull approach when demand fluctuates. It is being able to change over quicker, ramp up production faster, and keep up with the demand in these situations. Nonetheless, whether in a push or a pull environment, it is important to remember that waste occurs in all systems, and you should strive to remove or reduce it to a level that is most advantageous for you. We'll see you in the next module.